Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use green powder. Start by measuring the recommended serving with a scoop and mix it into 8 to 12 ounces of water or milk. Stir or shake for 20 to 30 seconds until smooth, then taste and adjust with a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon if desired. Drink within 10 minutes for best flavor, and store the powder in a cool, dry place. In this video, I will explain how to use green powder. If you want steady energy, take it with breakfast or a mid-morning snack rather than on an empty stomach. For workout support, consume 30 to 60 minutes before exercise to complement hydration and carbs. On busy days, swap a smoothie for your powder when you need quick nourishment. Track how your body responds and adjust timing based on sleep and digestion patterns. In this video, I will explain how to use green powder. Begin by pouring liquid into a shaker or blender, then add the powder and blend for 15 to 30 seconds for a smooth result. If you dislike the taste, combine it with banana, berries, or a spoon of nut butter to mask bitterness without extra sugar. Rinse your shaker quickly after use to avoid residue buildup and store lids open to keep freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.